Good morning, students. Today we are continuing our chapter. In previous video we will study about heterogeneous and homogeneous and hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated, cyclic bonds, and how many types of bonds, single bond, double bond and triple bond. All we are studied in our previous video. Now we are continuing this chapter. In this we will continue the functional group. What is functional group? The group in which an atom or a group of atom present in a molecules that gives the molecules in its characteristics chemical properties. Means what is functional group? If it will add with any elements and it have some basic structure that connect the compound with any groups, like it was heteroatoms, means different type of hetero means different. Now Cl, Br, if we will add a carbon with Cl, then it makes halogens. So when it will add with carbon and any element chlorine will add, so it will make chloro. If bromine will be add, then it is make bromo. Like oxygen, oxygen have, if any compound have oxygen present, they form this four functional group, in which if OH is present, then it is a alcohol group. If CHO, here oxygen is combined with double bond, then it is called aldehyde. If carbon have carbon combined with oxygen with double bond in any compound, then it will be a cation group. If oxygen and OH means COOH, if it will be prefix, then it is carboxylic acid. So these four functional groups in which oxygen is present. So we will study alkyl group. What is alkyl group? In previous video we will study about hydrocarbons, means saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons, right? In which alkane, alkene and alkyne we will already study. What is alkane? In which one carbon, then it is called meth. If carbon is attached with hydrogen with a single bond, then it is called N. Then that makes a methane. Means if single bond is present, then it is comes in alkane group. And methane is CH4, means how many hydrogen is present in methane? 4, right? If we will take out one hydrogen from methane, then it will convert into alkyl group, means methyl. We already see the example of methyl in examples of in previous video. See here, what is alkyl group? It is obtained by removing one hydrogen from alkane group. Means if we will remove one hydrogen from alkane, we will obtain alkyl. The general formula. What was the general formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. So what is alkyl? We have to remove one hydrogen from alkane. So here we have to remove one hydrogen. So it was the general formula of alkyl. Did you understand what is difference between alkane and alkyne? Alkyne is derivated from alkane group. If we will remove one hydrogen from alkane, then it obtains us alkyl. Understand? See here examples. If there is only one carbon, we already studied about root word. What is root word? Number of carbon atoms is present, then they declares their name. So, see here, if one carbon present, then it is called meth. 2 carbon present, then it is called eth. 3 carbon present, then it is called prop. 4 carbon present, then it is called but. Okay, now here if we will take one carbon and here 3 hydrogen is present, then it is called methyl. we have to put a value of number of carbons in general formula, then we will see that how many hydrogen is present. See here a number of carbon atom is 1, then we have to put value of n in a general formula, C1 H2, substitute the value of n here, 1 plus 1, then what was value, C H 2 1 2 plus 1 3 CH3, right? So it is called methyl. If we will put the value of n here 2, then here also 2, then C2 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 5. When the carbon have here in compound there are 2 carbon, then how many hydrogen is present, 5, then it is called C2H5 ethyl. Understand? Now if carbon atom is here 3, then how many hydrogen, 7, then it is called propyl. Why it is propyl? Because when there are 3 carbon present in a compound, then it is called a prop, and 1 hydrogen atom will be removed, so it is pyl. Why? Because it is from alkyl group, so it is called propyl. There are 2 names here, N-propyl and isopropyl. Why we have written here 2 names? Because when more than 3 or more than 3 carbons have, then it will be changed into a chain group also, means chain structure and branches structure. If it will be a long chain structure, then its name was N-propyl. If it will be a structure of branched chain, then if the branch of propyl is on second place, then it is called iso. So its another name was isopropyl. The name was depends on if it was a long chain or a branched chain. Same here. Here number of carbon atom is 4, so hydrogen is 9. Now it's also named as N-butyl and isobutyl. So its names also depends on if it was a chain branch or long chain or a branch chain structures. So did you understand this whole topic? Now we are going another topic, that is terminal functional group and non-terminal functional group. What was the difference between terminal functional group and non-terminal functional group? It was all depends on prefix and suffix. If we already studied about functional group, alcohol, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So in this aldehyde and carboxylic acid will be joined after carbon, then it is called a terminal functional group. Means it was be prefix CHO and COOH. After it will join after carbon, after another elements, then it is called a terminal functional group. And what was non-terminal functional group? It will join between the alkyls group. Here was an example. Here keton, we have taken a keton functional group, and in which both side we have taken a alkyl group, and between this both alkyl group we have taken a keton group. So it is called a non-terminal functional group. So we have completed functional group. Now we are going to study what is homologous series. We already studied in bio also homologous organ, but it was similar but different. We are studying here homologous series. What is homologous series? A group of compound having the same functional group, similar chemical properties, and the successive member difference by a CH2 group or 14 mass unit. What is that? Now, in which, what is homologous series? In which a group, same functional group have same chemical properties was also have, but they have difference of CH2 group between same functional group. I give you some example. What was the molecular mass of this? C have 12, H2 have 2, so 12 plus 2, 14 unit. So same functional group have two different structure, then they have the difference of 14 mass unit. We will see an example after that. All compounds in the series are composed of same elements and contain the same functional group. So another example, they have same functional group and same chemical properties but different by CH2 group between their similar structure, and they have difference of 14 mass unit. See an example, then it is cleared. The general formula of alcohol, we have taken here one functional group that was alcohol, and the general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Now they differ by a CH2 group. See, this was the example of alcohol in which we have taken a similar group, that's why we have added OH after the functional group. Now here number of carbon atom we have taken 1, so if we will put value of N in general formula, then we will get how many hydrogen will be obtained when there is one carbon atom is present. Then C1 H2 1 plus 1, then C1 2 1 2 n plus 1 3. So CH3, what is CH3? It is methyl. If methyl have a suffix is OH, then if the carbon atom is here 2, then C2H5, it is ethyl, and ethyl here suffix is also alcohol. The difference between these two have one carbon and 2 hydrogen. Okay, if here we will take on here 3 carbon, then it is C3H7 propyl. So difference between ethyl and propyl they have same functional group, alcohol. Okay, but the difference between two structure is CH2, and the molecular mass of CH2 is 14. So they have the difference of their masses here 14 unit. So understand what is homologous series. Here all compound in the series have similar chemical properties. You have to note down this also. Now they have similar chemical properties, means they have same functional group OS, so that's why they have similar chemical property, but they have only difference of CH2 when it goes from if it will change their carbon chain. Now here given some homologous series and their general formula and functional group. It is very important for higher classes. If first alkanes, alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2, alkenes CnH2n, alkynes CnH2n plus 1. We all know when we will take out one hydrogen from alkane, it will we will obtain alkynes. Then alcohol CnH2n plus 1 means when we add OH group in alkyl, then we obtain alcohol. Okay, means see here, when OH will be joined with alkynes general formula, then we will get a alcohol general formula. What is aldehyde? CnH2n. What is CnH2n? The general formula of alkene. So if we will join oxygen in alkenes, it gives us general formula of aldehyde, that is CnH2nO. Ketones have also same general formula, and carboxylic have also same, but here 2 oxygen is present. You will see a functional group here, C single bond with C. Here 3 carbons will be attached with every 3 hydrogen will be attached with every carbon atoms to complete their octet. We all know carbon have a unique property of tetrahydrite hydro. Why? Because it complete there, it have 4 atoms, 4 electrons in their innermost orbit. So to complete their octet, it wants 4 another atoms. Okay, so here it will join with every hydrogen. So here it will 2, 2, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 8. So it will complete their octet. So here carbon will be attached with another carbon, right? So it will complete their octet by adding 3 hydrogen with every carbon. Same, it was the structure of every homologous series. So you have to learn and you have to remember this formula for higher classes also. Thank you.